Restore your deck's luster with Lat 26 degrees. Say hello to Teak Clean, Teak Bright, and Teak Seal. The only products you need to bring your teak back to life. Begin by hosing everything down, ready for treatment. Now you can really get started. Either dissolve Teak Clean in water, or simply sprinkle it straight onto your deck, making sure to spread it all out. Then give the product a moment to work its magic, and give it a good scrub once the dirt has lifted. Teak Clean is perfect for large surfaces, environmentally friendly, and safe for surrounding caulking, painted and metal surfaces. Rinse the surface thoroughly while still wet. Now it's time to lighten things up with Teak Bright. Re-wet the deck, pour Teak Bright into a bucket or container, and keep your favorite doodlebug or deck brush handy to spread evenly. Teak Bright brings your deck to life and effortlessly removes stains and brightens the deck, all without harming surrounding surfaces. Just rinse thoroughly and allow to dry completely, and get ready for the final phase, Teak Seal. You know the drill. Apply a light layer onto the dried deck. Enjoy protection from salt water, food and drink stains, and wood graying from UV rays. Now for the very last step, taking a good look at your handiwork. The results speak for themselves. Visit lat26degrees.com to spend more time enjoying your boat and less time maintaining it.
Hi, I've been using Latitude 26 products for the last 6 months and I'm very pleased with the results. After Hurricane Irma and Maria, I'm using Latitude 26 product to bring my teak back to life. I recommend Latitude 26 product for any crew who wants great results.
The results are night and day. Bring your teak back to life.